Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel Technical Rudra. So guys, today we will learn how to install web.whatsapp.com in your computer. Yes, in your computer. So without any wasting time, let's start the video. So first of all, you need to go to your web browser and go to the link in the description, which is whatsapp.com/download, and from here you need to click on download for Windows 64-bit. So we'll just download this and it's downloading, and I will meet you when the file will be successfully downloaded.
A few inches later.
So guys, as you can see, the file has been downloaded successfully. Now we will just run this setup file of web.whatsapp. So here it is, you will get a security warning like this. Please just click on run because it's safe and secure file. So guys, our setup file has been successfully run. So now as you can see, it's loading the setup now. So here it is, you can see the interface of the setup. It's showing some animation here. It's installing the WhatsApp web. So guys, as you can see, the WhatsApp has been downloaded successfully. And now to set up this, you need to have a phone. So now we will move to the phone's screen. So guys, now we are in the mobile screen. So you have to open your WhatsApp. Okay, now I will just blur this. And now you have to click on this 3 dots. And here you have to click on WhatsApp web. And here it is. You have to click on link a device and scan the QR code present on your computer screen. So it will be scanned. Now we will move to the computer screen. So guys, as you can see, we are in the computer screen. I have blurred the side because I don't want to show you my personal chats. So yeah guys, so we are successfully logged in it. Now I will show you how to do the video call. For security reasons, I can't do the video call, but you can try it by video calling. Okay, you can see the status and all the things here. And yeah, so guys, I hope you like the video. Please subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.